Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlink your Facebook account from your Instagram account here over on Instagram. So in order to do this, you need your Instagram and you need your Facebook, and then what we're going to do is we're going to simply open our Instagram app just like this, and we're going to go to the top right corner of our screen at the three stripes. Now what we're going to do is click on Settings and Privacy, and we're going to click on Account Center. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to see the last option there is on this row here at Accounts. And here you can actually remove your Facebook. We can see right here that my Facebook is connected. And if I want to remove it, all I do is click on Remove. And I want to make sure to click the first option, Remove Account. Now click on Continue. And click on Yes, Remove, and then your Facebook name. So click on that. And this shouldn't take more than a few seconds, and we can see you removed your account from your Instagram. So that's how you can remove your Facebook from your Instagram. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.